Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, this video is geared just towards the guys with 5-6 speed trucks. Alright, and if you do not have the second prime tune already, I just want to tell you that's the best tune that you can get for a 5 or 6 speed truck. Alright, to schedule in the second prime, which will be your third gear basically, alright, into your normal drive is incredible. All right, I have that tuned through Demon Motorsports and Hemi Fever. All right, Hemi Fever really hooked it up. They did a lot of work on it. All right, 65 RFE Hemi Fever tuning. All right, I'm about to show you a video. All right, that video, my mods in that video are the long tube headers. All right, 3K torque converter. All right, stalled set at 3K. It's an Edge Racing torque converter. All right, ported throttle body. That's about it. I have 392s. All right, so this is the front, but the back's the same. All right, 392s. Just trying to go over the mods real quick. Veraram intake. All right, I believe that's it, and this is the run on that. Now, what I want you to check out on this run more than anything, all right, I know some of you don't have a converter or a long tube headers, right, but what I want you to check out is when second prime hits. You'll see down in the bottom, all right, the gear shifting. All right, it'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever, but you'll notice it switch from 2 to 3 and watch it. All right, if you guys watch my drag racing video where I raced a stock 8-speed, when that second prime hits, wow, it really pulls hard. It's like 0.3 of a second on your quarter mile if you add that second prime into your drive schedule. All right, when you're drag racing, normal driving, right, when you're just driving around, daily driving, it's beautiful. All right, it eliminates that drop off of power, all right, after second gear. It's incredible. I really enjoy it. All right, check out this video, all right, to give you a little example of what the second prime tune does for the 5-6 speeds. All right, here it is. Hot down. Whoop, let me pump the brakes for just 1 second. All right, I did that run on the 30-inch tires and not these 35s. All right, these 35s on top of the 392s is actually kind of like, I think, a 370 or something like that. So it really doesn't, you know, it takes a little longer for second prime to hit with these tires on there. For me to fully take advantage of second prime, I have these 30-inch tires, all right, like 30.5 or something like that, and 18-inch wheels. All right, that allows me to fly through the gears quicker. Okay, I recommend that on the 5-6 speed trucks. All right, the smaller your tire, all right, I've even been recommended I use 28-inch tall, you know what I mean, but I think that's going to be a little too short for my lifted truck. All right, right now it looks pretty good with that little smaller set. When I do have it on there, I just use it for the track. But you know, that's the gist of that, just so you guys have a little heads up. I'm not trying to pull nobody's chain over here. All right, did not do that run on these 35s. It is a bit slower. Quarter mile, I think it's still only 2 gears basically and barely touching that second prime. But on the 30s, boom, I could get through all the way to 4th, no problem. Hot damn. Chirp tires on that one. Yeah, baby.